Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips video on changing your Snapchat username. There is a lot of confusion around this topic, so I thought I'd make a quick video explaining it. There is no official way of actually changing your Snapchat username, but there are a few different tricks that you can do. The first one is simply changing your display name. The display name is what everybody will see when interacting with you or viewing your story. The username is only used once for adding, and then all they will see is your display name. For most people, changing their display name here is good enough. If you are really desperate to get a new username, you could go as far as deleting your account and then creating a new account using the new username you desire. A third option you can try is actually going to Snapchat support and begging for them to change your username for you. To do this, go to the Snapchat settings within the app and select Help Center. Then choose Contact Us, then tap on My Snapchat Isn't Working, and then select Other. Tap on Yes, and then My Issue is Not Listed. You will now need to fill out this form with all the relevant information to your account, and in the information field you will have to explain that you want your username changed and why they should do it for you. You will need to think of a good reason. Once you have sent off the form, Snapchat support will email you within a couple of days with their decision. And that draws an end to this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks in the future.